Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. So watchOS 5 brought along a slew of new features for the Apple Watch. Some of them are big, some of them are smaller, some of them are just bringing an app like podcast. Others have customization settings. One thing that I think is totally under the radar and can make a big difference depending on if you're ever in a situation that you need help is Wi-Fi. So with the Apple Watch through watchOS 4, your options for connecting to Wi-Fi would be through connecting via a previously stored or connected source from your iPhone. If your iPhone has connected to a Wi-Fi source in the past, it will automatically store that into your Apple Watch. So if you're ever out of connection, out of range from your iPhone, your Apple Watch will be able to connect from that network and you'd be able to do your standard operations, send text, check your weather, etc. However, as soon as you get into an area that you did not have a previously connected Wi-Fi source, this could be an issue. And I've actually used this in the past. I've gone on runs before that ended at a friend's house and I didn't bring my phone with me, but I brought my watch with me. And before I had the Series 3 with cellular, I would connect to their Wi-Fi and I could still get texts from my parents or for friends if I ever needed to contact anybody, and I could still make FaceTime audio calls and things such as that. However, now in watchOS 5, you're able to manually connect to Wi-Fi sources that you weren't previously connected to. This is pretty big. Say you're in the same situation as me on a run, but say something bad happens or you get to a bottom of a hill that you can't get up because you're just way too dead and you need to contact somebody, or any situation that you need to contact somebody on your Apple Watch and you don't have the Series 3 with cellular and you don't have your phone with you. Well, now you can go to the closest McDonald's or the closest anywhere with public Wi-Fi, or anywhere that maybe has Wi-Fi that you would happen to know the password in an unlikely situation, where you can now connect to that Wi-Fi source via your watch, connect to it, and you can call or text somebody through your watch. It's kind of a small feature, but it could definitely be potentially life-saving, but it's very cool and could come into handy as a very big feature in the future. So you can see when my watch is connected to my iPhone and it's disconnected via Bluetooth and the cellular is turned off, I'm still connected to Wi-Fi that wasn't previously connected, and that is awesome, and that could definitely be a game changer in the future and a nice feature to have at the very least. Anyway, let me know what you think of this feature, if it could ever come in handy for you, or if it would have come in handy in the past. Let me know. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this.